All right, guys, sorry for the delay here. This is the video for my Charlie Brown Brewers. We'll check the time here. It's January 11th at 10:24 p.m. We'll go over to the break and type, or the raffle and type live. Oh, it's been a long night. And we'll just get the time in here. We have January 11th at 10:24 p.m. Here is our list of 18 names. Everybody's all paid up. I'm too lazy to put the dollar signs in. So Connor on the bottom, Connor on top, 18 entries, January 11th at 10:25 p.m. Gonna roll 2 dice, has to be 5 or higher. There is 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last and final. Good luck. It is Michael Spot 9 is your winner. So Michael, please get with me to collect your Charlie Brown. There's our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, January 11th at 10:25 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.